All right, good morning. It is a brisk morning, cold, 46 degrees cold, not that bad. Water temperature is, ain't no way. Transducer probably has to get settled in. It says it's 49, but that's not the case. It's in the 50s or 60s by now. We got a lot of steam coming off the water now too. We are back up in DC today. Upper Potomac, gonna go after anything. Flathead catfish are the main priority of today's mission. So we'll see if we can get one of them. Tide is high. Shad are moving still. I'm gonna try and fish some pools for some bass or something. See what I can get into. Go from there. All right. I'm also testing out this new mic. See how this works out today. I'm supposed to get a different one in the mail, but it got lost. Whatever that means. Ooh. What is that? A lot of head shakes. Could it be a snakehead? But it's staying down. It's a snakehead. Holy. It's my first snakehead of the year. Oh, he's taking line. These things are torpedoes. All right. It's my first snakehead in 2 years, too. Oh, did I hook him in the eye? Yep, I hooked him in the eye. Oh, great. That's okay. Oh, stop. There we go. Got it. Yep, here's where the fun begins. Oh, he's heavy. All right, hook is out. Kind of did that to himself, but now it's back in. Oh yeah, you lost your eye, buddy. Oh no, you didn't. It's still in there. All right, and you broke my net. Nice. Well, this net is a replacement to the one that I lost last time. All right, let's see here. My pliers. There they are. Oh wow, this was totally unexpected. Holy moly! Stay down. He almost torpedoed out of the boat. Oh my goodness. I highly doubt the camera got that angle. We'll see. Oh my gosh. All right, you know what? I'm not dealing with that right now. I got to fish in the boat. Let's just move this back here. All right. Currently pinning it with my foot right now against my kayak because I have no idea how I'm going to do this because these do not work the best. And they have like jaws that are like boga grips. Like they do not let go. Yep. There we go. No picture. Darn it. This is all I have to remember them by. A little scale and all the slime in my boat. Darn. I wanted a picture with that. Oh well. First snakehead, got it in the boat. How the heck did it even? Wow. Wow. First snakehead of the year. I've caught many before, but last year I didn't catch a single one. This is the first one I caught this year. Totally unexpected. That was a decent sized one too. He still had a lot of fight in him. I think since I hooked him in the eye, he wasn't moving as much. The second he got in the net out of the water, that's when he started thrashing. He got the hook out, and then I just pinned him against the front of my kayak here with my boots. And the second I started releasing, he just whoop right on out of there. All right, let's get back to it. That snakehead did block the sun. Where is it? There we go. That snakehead did break one of the trebles off and bent the other. So we'll see if I can still catch fish on this crankbait. And I got some nice teeth marks in this thing too. Now, the one thing that I have to worry about today is this net. It's falling apart. This thing is super old. Like the rubber is just really going. I mean, I got so many zip ties in there already holding it together. But that snakehead really did some damage on it. Where are my pliers? God, I got so much snakehead slime in here. Ugh, gross. The other thing about snakeheads, if you are reeling in a lure and they bite it and you lose it, they are not going to bite again. I've learned that from experience, from literally seeing it happen like right in front of me, and I put the lure right in front of its face and it just avoids it entirely. It's like it knows. And they're just very smart fish. Ambush predators. Got some teeth in them as well. They taste pretty good. Frankly, I'm not a big person to eat much out of this river, but the first time I ever caught a snakehead, oh gosh, I don't know how long ago, tasted really good. Some lime. I think what did we do? Yeah, we pan-seared it. We fried, or not fried it. Yeah, we just pan-seared it, and it was just really good. They're very easy to fillet as well. It's just literally one long strip. It's not going to fit in a pan depending on how big you get, but you can easily just cut it in half. So you can really portion it out as well. Now the downside about, I mean, it's probably just any fish, but the one that I had, it had some worms inside of its meat. Now that's probably just because it's a warm river, I guess. So there's gonna be more parasites in it, but it's a little disconcerting. But you can easily just pick them out. That's what I did. But you know, some other people are gonna be like, "That's disgusting. I'm not eating it." I don't blame you. If you cook it long enough, it'll, I mean, not too long, it'll get cooked out. Oh, there's another fish. It's a little bass. Just went right at me. Hello. It's a smallmouth. Wow. Look at that. I don't need the net for you. You're a tiny guy. Look at that. Little smallmouth bass. Nice. Just love how their eyes are all red. Chunky little guy, too. Let me see you later. I haven't caught one of those since October. Those are very fun to catch. Now, smallmouth, they're very fun to catch. Right now, I mean, I mostly target them in the fall, just like most other fish, as they start eating more because it's getting colder. Right when the water temperature hits around 50 degrees, that's when the smallmouth just go crazy. I normally fish the upper Potomac for them, whether it's Virginia or Maryland side, but finding those deep holes, especially when there's droughts, that's what you have to target. As long as the water's moving, they're going to bite. kind of fishing up here at high tide because you have a lot more areas to fish. Granted, that gives the fish more areas to go, but these coves provide more space for them out of the current, which is why I like fishing here. At low tide, like this past, every time that I've gone the past like 4 weeks, the tide's been super low, and the high tides have been like a normal low tide, honestly. Um, they haven't, I haven't caught anything in these coves where I just kind of give up and fish for shad like that, right on cue. Thanks, bud. Um, or just start jigging downstream and fish for catfish, and or really I want a striper. Last time I was strictly trying to catch flatheads, which I did, which was very fun. Shout out to the guy who gave me his little secret weapon. I moved my mic up here just because I feel like it might be pushing around too much, and I don't want that sound in the video. So we're going to see how it sounds up here. And I also have it charging, like a constant power source to the camera. I know sometimes that can be an issue with other devices. So we're going to see if that affects the audio here. And if it does, oh well. If it doesn't, perfect. Still learning how to use all this stuff. And I did move my camera. I have it now mounted to my rail on the side, also connected to the support for my fish finder here. So it's going to move with the boat more freely and jiggle a little bit more, as opposed to when it was just up front. I think it's going to be soon time to take off one of these sweatshirts. It was so cold this morning, 45 degrees, no wind. Well, there's a little bit of breeze, but there's steam coming off the water. And I know this morning when I mentioned that it said 49 degrees, but that's just because the transducer was out of the water for a long time, so the internal thermometer was used to the outside temperature. But the water temperature as of right now is 65.1 degrees. Oh, that was probably a rock. Oh yeah, I see the rock. Yeah, in the fall, when it's 60 degrees going into 50s, that's the best time, in my opinion, for a lot of fishing. Spring and fall, those are my two favorite times. Summertime, it becomes pretty predictable to know where fish are, obviously, but it's more consistent, in my opinion, in the spring and fall. Put the life jacket on because we are going further up and it gets more dangerous up here. Now, I would never recommend coming up here. I'm only up here because the tide is really high, so the current's less stronger. But it's going to really pick up in a minute because the tide is going out now. I'm more so just kind of exploring just to see what's what over here. So this is a very dangerous place. I mean, I would never recommend fishing off these rocks here on the Virginia side because they're very steep and slippery, and many people have lost their lives up here. I'm just seeing what the water depth's like up here, seeing if there's any fish. But I would never recommend fishing up here, at least on the Virginia side. DC side's a lot more safer. It's more flat. Now, surprisingly, it's only 5 feet deep here. I mean, I know once I start drifting down over there, it's going to be a lot more deeper. And it doesn't even look like just 50 yards that, or 50 feet that way. It doesn't look that much deeper either, just from my side scan. Because normally it starts fading away if it were to drop down, but it didn't really drop down. It's just staying around 5 to 10 feet. It's 3 feet right here. And I can see little falls right now. This is the furthest I've ever been up on the lower Potomac. There's probably going to be a lot of this. Yeah, let's see if I can get this out of the river. I always like to say it's not fishing if you're not cleaning. Oh, yeah, they're doing what I think they're doing. That's not good. That's why they're not fishing. I'm right here, and they don't want me to see what they're doing, and I literally know exactly what they're doing. They have a 1 ounce weight, maybe heavier, treble hook, and they're just casting, and they're trying to foul hook everything. And that's why there's all these dead fish in the water. They're just throwing them back, or they're yeah. That's why no one is fishing. Like literally, there's 4, 5 people right now, no rods in the water. They're just staring off into the distance, not looking at a single thing, because they don't want me to see what they're doing. It's so wrong. 14 feet, 20 feet, 25 feet, 30 feet, 35 feet, 40 feet. Wow, what a drop. 40 feet, still dropping. A lot of stuff on the bottom too. Wow, a lot of shad here too. I just see all the fish off on the side. Deepest it got was just about 45 feet back up there, which is a very flat bottom right here. Ooh, on the drop too. Oh, that doesn't feel like a catfish. Could be a flathead. Could also be a striper. On the drop. Oh, that was amazing. Anyone behind me? Okay, I don't. Ooh, it's a big fish. Whatever it is. Oh man. I gotta stay in the current though, because I don't want to bring them up too shallow. Actually, no, I think I only have them 15 feet away. There's a very consistent line on my fish finder. Maybe he's taking line. Okay, actually, he might be 30 feet. Because that's the consistent. Yeah, it's coming up. He's at 30 feet. And he's going back down again. Oh my goodness. This is a log right here. Wow. This is a unit, whatever it is not budging whatsoever. It's like I'm stuck on the bottom, but I'm not. Imagine whatever this is. It's not wrapping like a blue cat. It could just be a monster flathead. Or, again, it's not running like a striper would. Now you're starting to come up. You still take them. Oh, it's a big old flathead. Big flathead. He's just going back down. He's just taking line. This one's definitely bigger than that one, my first one. I guess my second one. Big boy. It is a big boy. Do not go down again. Chunky boy. Oh my goodness.
A 50-pound blue cat right over here the other day.
Ready to go?
There he goes.
Thanks, man.
Yo, you have a good day.
Oh, that was on the drop again. Really putting it right in front of their face. This one's not that big. Unless he just, I don't think he knew he was hooked. There we go. Yeah, it's not that big. Actually, that's a pretty decent sized fish. He's running again. Man, he just dove 15 feet. Oh, there he goes again. 20 feet. 25 feet. Still going. And he's at the bottom again. 30 feet. Oh my goodness. Wow. All that progress gone. Get in the boat. Woo! This is the second biggest one today. I mean, its mouth is massive. Where's my phone at? All right, buddy. Yeah, you're ready to go. See you later. You're gonna go over there. Nope, maybe not. See a turtle. All right, I'm calling it a day. Been out here since almost 6 hours now. It was a great day. Snakehead to start it off. Smallmouth, flatheads, and one blue cat. Pretty good day. So we're gonna head back in, go get some lunch. I am hungry. Wind's starting to pick up, so that's another sign for me is, yeah, I'm gonna head out. Not a single cloud in the sky. That's crazy. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.